Hi friends, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel ABC Code. Today we will discuss about one of the problems and its solutions when we are working with automation test framework. In general, we prepare a hybrid test framework which include data-driven framework. When the test cases takes input from an XLSX file and run the test executions based on that. And it's very common there are multiple worksheets into that input XLSX file, and you want to provide a method to the user to open that input XLSX file straight away, so that user do not need to navigate to that particular directory where that XLSX file is located. You can write a method like this. So as you know that there is no way in Python to open an XLSX file in front of users. So Python can create objects for its own use using different XLS reader library. So here we use this os.system method where we are firing a DOS command, that is start XLSX, with the XLSX file path. Okay, that way it will be opening that XLSX file. Going further, you can provide a Tkinter GUI where you can set one button, and whenever user will be pressing that button, it will fire the method. You can set that way also. So in that case, I'm just showing you that how it will be working. If you run this, it will open that XLSX file. I think so far so good. There is no problem in understanding this code. But the problem appears when you want to open a particular worksheets of that XLSX file. I mean, if for an example there will be 300 or 400 test cases in your test suites or in the automation test framework. If I consider that on an average for 10 test cases there is one worksheet, then there will be 30 worksheets into that XLSX file. Manually navigating to that particular worksheets by users will be painful. So you may want to provide a way such that user can navigate to a particular worksheets automatically. So for an example, users is working on a test case number 2. So in that case, user can directly navigate to that worksheets. It is comparatively complicated because there is no Windows command that will allow you to navigate to that particular worksheets directly. To address that problem, I have written one VB script, and the VB script is this one. This VB script can take two arguments. Argument 1, you are providing the file path, and argument 2 is the sheet name, worksheet name. And finally it will activate that worksheets while it is opening that XLSX file. Okay, and what I'm doing in the Python file, in my Python method, I have fired that VB script in this way. So here this is the project directory, and this is the path of the VB script, and it is taking two arguments. One is XLSX file path and another one is worksheet name. Okay, I want to open the worksheet test2. Okay, so in that case, if I run this, so it will directly open that test2 worksheets. So in other words, say you want to open a particular worksheet, say 30, so you can directly open that worksheet test case 30. If you don't want to give the worksheets name same as your test case name, because it may be that in multiple test cases may share the input files, input data from one worksheet. In that case, your test case name will not be same with the test sheet name, worksheet name. So in that case, you can create a dictionary where you can provide that which worksheets is related with which test case. So the point is, where the problem I was facing is that I was not able to uh, find out any way in that Python and any DOS command which will directly open to that particular XLSS worksheet. So that the workout or way out that I have found out is that write a VB script which will take this to argument and run that VB script through that Python method, which will be, this Python method can be fired by a GUI application, as a Tkinter application or any GUI applications where you are clicking on a button will fire that particular method. I hope I did not make you confused much. Let us know if you are having any confusions. Thank you for attending this session. See you later.